Hi there. Today we're taking a look at a product that this brand was nice enough to send me in exchange for an honest review. So let's get into some of the features. The first thing I wanted to show off is this nice packaging. You can tell their branding. Very cool. This is right on the outside of the shipper. I just thought it was a cool little piece, and I always appreciate when a company has really nice packaging. And here they are. This is the Mammoth grip. It's a nice molded product made in the USA. Solid material, so you can tell as soon as you grab a hold of this thing, it's super durable. And I've got kind of big hands. I'm 6'10", so I've got larger hands than most. And you can see I've even got room in here where I'm not feeling like my fingers are scrunched up or anything. So it's a really comfortable grip to try and lift anything. Now, some examples of use on this would be like paint cans fit well. You can loop the handle into one here on each side, grab a hold. Laundry, you can use hangers, carrying your laundry upstairs. You can keep one of these in your car for carrying groceries, grocery bags, hook right on there. I've personally used this product for 5-gallon buckets. I've had some tools, some plumbing tools I've had to move around in 5-gallon buckets, and you just hook the handle right in here and you carry this. Solid product, made in the USA, really well put together. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.